Okay, something different today. My sewing machine was squeaking and I did not like it. And the modern machines aren't that different from the old ones, aside from a bunch of electronics for fancy stitches. I cleaned out the last bit of dust that was in there. I must say, those new closed systems are pretty neat. There was only dust below here. So I think the squeaking comes from there. Let's check it out. Yep, it's one of the belts. How to fix that? We found the culprit. Actually, Cam did with his good ears. This little tension wheel was the one squeaking. And now, like a princess. Let's put her back together. Everything is back together. And let's see if it works. I really love the calibration step. But the final test. No more squeak. Fixed it, lovely.